Gimme 2 Minutes. My name is Christina and today we're going to look at topic sentences. Topic sentences are an important part of your paragraph structure that ensure the clarity of your writing. A topic sentence is normally the first sentence in your paragraph. It provides an introduction to the point that you're going to be making within that paragraph. Essentially, it acts as a signpost for your reader, showing them what the following paragraph is going to be about. This ensures the clarity of your essay. Your reader doesn't have to go searching for the points that you're going to make. You identify them right at the beginning of every paragraph. By ensuring the clarity of your essay, you make it easier for your reader to focus on your argument. So to recap, a topic sentence acts as an introductory sentence to your paragraph. It identifies the point that you're going to be making within that paragraph, making it easier for your reader to follow your argument. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information.